Then she left an allegedly abusive boyfriend only to be attacked and scarred for life.
And the glass went right through my neck and into my mouth.
Now, after years of drowning her sorrows in booze, she is seeing the light.
Thrown through a plate glass window during an attack allegedly orchestrated by an abusive ex-boyfriend. Now Robin is taking back her life with the help of a plastic surgeon. Arthel goes inside the operating room.
Robin Lawton has been beaten, kicked, pushed, and punched during a series of violent relationships that not only scarred her physically, but drove her to the brink of self-destruction in the bottom of a bottle of booze.
How bad had your drinking got?
Out of control. I was unmanageable. It got to be where I was drinking in the morning, drinking in the afternoon, drinking at night to go to sleep to avoid his behavior.
It has taken almost a decade for Robin to get to this day. Now sober for 2.5 years and engaged to a kind and loving man.
Bye, sweetie. All right. Okay.
The final icing on the cake is having Dr. Renato Calabria erase the 5-inch long scar on her cheek.
With the procedure that we're doing, it's going to be a lot improved, almost imperceptible.
Robin's road to emotional recovery has been a rather long one, and she's finally reached a point in her journey to get rid of the physical scarring. She's hoping this procedure will ultimately mean no turning back to her previous life of abuse.
What we're going to do is we're going to inject the incision with a little xylocaine.
Unfortunately, there's not just one old wound to deal with. Robin's face is also pockmarked with smaller gashes. So to get results, Dr. Calabria must perform a brow lift.
See, she's got a lot of scars. See, this part here, this one will be a little challenging because the blood supply here.
After inserting tiny anchors to secure the brow, Calabria stitches it closed.
And this is done.
The final step, injecting a surgical filler into the line on her cheek to plump up the skin.
See, the scar is almost disappeared already.
The entire surgery takes under 3 hours, and even in her groggy state, Robin can't contain her gratitude.
Perfect.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
Facial plastic surgery can often leave a patient in pain and bruised for weeks, but Robin's spirit must be stronger than most, because when I visited her just 7 days after the operation, I'm stunned by what I see.
Oh my goodness. Nice to see you. Look at you.
Thank you.
What do you think?
Oh, I think it's a dream come true.
Gone are the little cut marks on her cheeks, and that ugly scar, now almost invisible. Robin says she looks and feels beautiful.
So, was that the final step in the full recovery?
Well, I believe that we never fully recover. However, today I stand with self-assurance and worthiness and respect for myself.
It's a message she hopes every battered woman hears loud and clear.
It's very empowering when you get out of the victim and become the victor. And today, I can say I'm victorious.
Arthel, Robin had a lot of courage to come forward.
She really did, Geraldo. I mean, just try this on for size. More than 3 women are murdered by their boyfriends or husbands every day in this country. So I really applaud Robin for her courage in sharing her story to try to empower other women in situations that she once was in.
And she's in a safe, secure relationship now.
She is. She's getting married February 23rd, I'm happy to announce.
Fabulous. Thanks, Arthel.